Still entering trades too early or too late? What if you could time entries using a classic momentum tool that tells you when the market is truly ready to move? This strategy uses the Stochastic Oscillator, which measures momentum and shows when price is overbought or oversold. Instead of random entries, we wait for precise stochastic signals plus price confirmation, so trades have a higher probability of success. Visit forexmt4indicators.com for the full setup. Buy rules. Wait for the market to be in a clear uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. Look at the stochastic. When it drops below 20, oversold, and then crosses back up, that's your momentum signal. Enter buy on the candle after the stochastic crossover confirms. Place your stop loss just below the recent swing low or structure support. Set your take profit at the next resistance zone or when stochastic reaches overbought levels. Sell rules. Confirm a clear downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. Stochastic must rise above 80, overbought, and then cross down to signal momentum shifting lower. Enter sell on the next confirming candle after the stochastic crossover. Put your stop loss just above the recent swing high or resistance area. Target the next support for your take profit as price moves down. Never trade stochastic alone. Always wait for price action confirmation like pin bars or rejection wicks. And remember, risk only 1 to 2% per trade to protect your capital and trade longer. This stochastic strategy helps you catch momentum shifts with clearer entries and exits. Head to forexmt4indicators.com to download free indicators, templates, and full strategy guides to trade smarter.